Good day. In this video, we'll be explaining how to set up two-factor authentication for a Kohezion user. So let me first explain what 2FA is. So two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security that requires users to verify their identity using two different forms of authentication, such as a password and a code sent to their mobile device, or using one of those two-factor code generator mobile application. This helps ensure that even if one factor, like the password, is compromised, unauthorized access is prevented. So let me show you how this is done. There's a few steps to execute to do this. So the first step, each user must set up their own two-factor authentication. So this is a per user action that has to be done. So each user has to go to their preferences, click here, and when they see their preference screen, there's two things that are visible. The first checkbox is use two-factor authentication. By default, this will be set to off and should be off until you set up your mobile application. So the first step is to install one of the well-known mobile code generator application. So we support Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, Authy, or Duo. So install the one that makes sense for your use case. Once it's installed, then you can add Kohezion to the code generator. So simply click on the add and scan this 3D barcode here. This barcode obviously is unique to each user. Once the code are set up and working on your mobile application, then you can check use two-factor authentication and save your changes. So from that point on, then that user will need to enter their two-factor authentication code when they log in. So let me show you what that looks like. So let's log off. So there will be the standard login. So in this case, let me log in here. So that's a normal login. Then you'll be presented with a code entry screen. So you enter your code here, and then automatically, if the code is valid, Kohezion will log you in. So this will be the process every time that user logs in. If you want to turn off two-factor authentication, then you go back to the preferences, uncheck it, click on save, and this will be turned off. For administrators, they can go to the administration screen, click on user, and they can actually do searches for users that have not set it up yet, so they can follow up. So if you do a search, you can go to search users and use two-factor authentication, set that to no, click on search, and this will return all the users that have not set it up, and then you can follow up with them to make sure that they do. So if you have any questions, you can always contact support@kohezion.com. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.